In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your host image version preference in GitHub code spaces. This is a key setting that can influence the way your development environment functions. It's important to get it right so that your coding experience is both smooth and secure. To begin, you'll first need to access your GitHub dashboard. If you're not familiar with this process, simply open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials to access your main dashboard. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon that represents your profile. This is usually a picture or an avatar if you've set one, or just a default icon if you haven't. Click on this profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options that appear, select Settings. This will guide you to a new page where a variety of personal and repository settings are hosted. In the Settings menu, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a series of categories. You want to ensure you're in the Code Spaces section. If you're not already there, simply click on Code Spaces to access its specific settings. Once you're in the Code Spaces settings, your task is to locate an option called Host Image Version Preference. This feature is quite significant as the host image determines the operating system within which your development containers operate. These images are crucial because they receive periodic upgrades, not just to enhance functionality, but also to bolster security and performance. GitHub Code Spaces provides an option to access early beta images. This is particularly useful if you're keen on ensuring that your development environment remains compatible with any updates or changes to existing configurations. When you find the host image version preference, you'll notice there are two options available for selection. One is Stable, which ensures you're always using the most consistent and reliable image configuration. This choice is perfect if you prefer a tried and tested environment without surprises. The other option is Beta, which, as the name suggests, offers a configuration that might contain new features that are still in testing phases. If you like being on the cutting edge and don't mind a few experimental features, the beta option might be the way to go. All you need to do now is decide which configuration suits your needs best and make your selection. Once you've made your choice, rest assured, any code space you create or resume will now use your specified image configuration. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've tailored your code spaces environment to fit your specific development needs. Thanks for following along, and happy